Racing is where we start as long-standing racing secretary at Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited SVREL, Denzel Miller Jr. has had his post made redundant. Miller was informed of the decision to make his post redundant by SVREL chairman Michael Bernard Monday morning.
Denzel Miller Jr. held the position of racing secretary not only with Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited SVREL, but also previous promoters Caymanas Track Limited CTL and Racing Promotions Limited RPL for 25 years. During his time at Caymanas Park, Miller Jr. also held several other positions, including clerk of the course, handicapper, and chairman of the programs committee. Michael Bernard, chairman of SVREL, said that Miller's redundancy was part of an ongoing restructuring exercise within the company.
Coming out of that process, we have actually decided to disaggregate the role and responsibility of racing secretary and have subsumed a part of that role in that of the director of racing that is currently held by Chris Armand, and the other part of it subsumed into the role of the general manager for racetrack operations currently held by Mr. Anthony Shukir. As a result of that, the position of racing secretary as we have had it has been made redundant, and as a result of that, Denzel Miller is exiting the organization.
Bernard further dismissed rumors that there is a conflict between himself and Miller about the condition of races, which includes the chairman's trophy that has been scratched 3 times this year.
Absolutely none. None of that have anything whatsoever to do with the decision of the company, really. It's all about actually restructuring the organization and making it fit and ready, if you will, really, to take on the challenges of the future, and also to assist in ensuring its viability. So it has nothing to do really with how he has. Not a performance issue. We have no issue with anything that is untoward. It's basically the organization looking at what the requirements are to prepare it for the future.
Meanwhile, there are mixed reactions from the trainers about the redundancy which affects Miller Jr.
It was very shocking when I heard that they have make him redundant. You know, it was, if a man in the game so long, he knows his work. It was very, very surprising for me to hear.
No, this is surprising. No, this is surprising now. And he and I had a discussion in the director's room yesterday after the victory. No, this is really strange. This is a surprise to me.
I don't really know nothing about him in terms of, we really transpire, but maybe them good to change the rule and give him back him work.
Miller Jr.'s last act as racing secretary came on the weekend during the 1,000 and 2,000 Guineas Classic races. For TVJ Sports, I am Denise Walters.